Chiro cracks. Chiropractics for everyone.
I've been having this ongoing issue with my hips. They seem very tight. I also have this issue with my shoulders as well. They feel very weak, and I actually went to a doctor like maybe 5 years ago, and they said I was born with weak shoulders. He just brought me to physical therapy to like strengthen them. But primarily the issue is like around the hip area.
Both sides equally?
Some days it's like one hip hurts more than the other, but normally it's both sides.
When did it start?
I want to say like 3 to 4 years.
Was there any incident, any accident, any injuries?
Actually, I did have a major like weight loss, maybe like 50 pounds.
When your hips are bothering you, what do you do?
I do yoga sometimes.
Is it from standing for long periods of time? Do you wake up in the morning with it?
It's very inconsistent.
Dizziness, nausea, vertigo. Shoulders high on the left. Looking at the feet, we do have some pronation, internal rotation. Looks like the right hip is restricted and forward motion. Very warm up here. You got some dampness here in the top of your spine, your thoracic. We definitely have some postural things here that we can talk about and work on. And that's all up here. Do you have any tenderness here? Here? All right, which is more, here or here?
Right side.
Turn to the left. Do you have pain here?
No.
You have pain that way?
No.
You mean your hip clicked when we turned you?
I felt a tightness on my left.
When you turn to the right? You're going to feel my fingertips in the back of your hamstring like this. I'm going to trace up to the bottom of the glute fibers. We're lower on the right, even from the top. Which is cracked? Your right
Hip.
again? Do you have pain when I push here?
Yes.
Here?
No.
I'm going to follow your breath very gentle. Then at the end of your breath, we give a little push like that. Sink in.
Whew.
Let that out. Sink. Right. Left. Harder on the left. I'm gonna bring your hips down in this position like that. Letting your shoulders relax. We're gonna bring the hip down and then push it in that direction, okay? Turn your head to the right, left. Bring your right ear down to your right shoulder. Let your head drop, let your shoulders drop. I'm gonna bring your head to right about here. We're gonna push in that direction like that. Gentle, just let everything sink in. Let this relax here, let your head relax. Not bad, right?
No.
Squeeze. We start with the ileocecal valve, so we find the umbilical, ASIS, connect the two. Deep belly breaths now. We just use this towel to support your cervical spine. Keep your teeth together. And I'm just going to use this to traction your spine in that direction. Gentle breathing. Let this go. How do you feel?
Good. Like a new person.